Hey, it's a new bike check. I just got some new parts, and I figured I'd update it since I haven't done it since it was stock, like 2 years ago. So I'll go front to back. Got Arron Ross signature grips. I really like them, they're grippy. Got shadow metal bar ends, because I think that plastic bar ends are retarded. They serve no point. So I got the stock bars. They got a lot of scuffs and such, but I like the bend and the height in real light, so I'm fine with it. Got a gold profile racing stem. It's light, whatever. Shadow undertaker tire, 1.95. I like to run really thin tires. I don't get the fat tire thing. I don't know, I just don't like it. The same thing, stock forks. They worked fine, so I changed them. Stock pegs. Got shadow ravager pedals. They grip pretty good, and they're light. I don't like plastic pedals. They just wear out too fast. Stock cranks. I just painted them tan because the paint was wore off. Got a, see if you can see it here, Bully Bikes chain wheel in gold. It's really light. I like it. Shadow Conspiracy interlock 2 chain, limited edition gold. Good. Obviously, stock frame in case you can tell. Same thing as light. I like the geometry of it, so I change. Got a Federal Jared Washington seat. It's about as comfortable as a BMX seat gets. Whatever. Tan wall fit FAF. Yes, I only run one tan wall because that's cool. Whatever. Stock peg. Stock wheels. Everything that's stock's gonna get changed pretty soon. It's still winter here, and I don't want to spend a lot of money on it till summer comes. But yeah, it's a bike check.